I love this girl. Okay, yeah. So she needed a better hairstyle, and then she gave me this hairstyle so that we could see if we can reproduce it or something close to it. Right, so let's see how it goes. I'm putting that hair away so that I can work on the pom-poms first so that they can dry whilst I am working on the front section. So I'm putting the front section away, and the pom-poms is a slightly slanted. I like just creating just a little bit of the the usual. Okay, so for the pom-poms, first I'm applying Jabustone. It's like a twisting gel at the base of the hair so that it's more comfortable and the hold is like solid at the base. And then I'm using yarn to tie the hair down in sections so that she is able to stay with the hairstyle for longer and it is more durable. That's why I'm doing it in sections. Like she can stay with the hairstyle for at least 2 weeks. And then after doing the first section using Jabuston, the next section I am using Eco Styler gel. This one has got a medium hold, so it's not a strong hold, but I love the fact that it is a gentle hold. It will not make your hair too tight, like on the scalp. But for the final, like for the final slicking of the hair, I am using dark black gel. This thing is a plaster, you guys. Like it literally plasters the hair down. It will keep it down. And especially when you have got natural hair, it literally keeps it together like for days. Hesh, it's official. I laugh all the time. I laugh a lot. Like in this video, I was laughing so much. This girl talks for days as well. She's such a bubbly personality, and I love doing her hair. Well, watch up to the end, and you hear the kind of conversations that we had. I'm sure you've seen from the beginning that we had some mind blowing conversations. Okay, so I'm now doing the front. So in the front, I'm using Jabustone, obviously. And then I tried the what I've been seeing on YouTube. And then I tried the stitch braid kind of pattern where you would just gel the sections and then, yeah, but for it was worth trying. It didn't come out exactly as I thought it would. Maybe the section is too small for that. But anyway, I loved the cornrow. I actually loved how neat the cornrow was at the end. So yeah, I am happy about that. So yeah, I'm basically doing two cornrows on one side and other two corners on one side. I'm adding hair extensions just for the volume and also for extra length so that it gets to where we want it to get. I'm using Darling Mali Kinky and just a bit because she has a lot of volume already, but we just needed a little bit of more volume and also a little bit of length in the front. So that is the reason why we are adding hair. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel. And now I am attempting to do the the baby hairs. Well, I am improving bit by bit. They say practice makes you better, not perfect, better. And I'm happy about the progress that I'm doing when it comes to baby hairs. I'm applying the Nasha Organics Leave-In Conditioner onto the ponytails, onto the loose hair, so that I can braid it up because I am also going to add some hair onto that. And I am using the same kind of hair. I'm using Darling Mali Kinky. And in this case, I used a full value pack. It is 2-in-1. So I used a full one and because we needed like volume. I'm sure we could have used more, but I think that would be uncomfortable to sleep with. So yeah, we used a full pack and then I just used some yarn to tie it down. And now I'm creating the bubbles and using the same yarn to create the bubbles, making sure that I make 2 knots to tie the bubble down. I don't know if that's okay. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, anyway, that's what I'm doing. Okay, yeah. So I make 5 bubbles. I do it the same on the other side. And then I start putting the beads. She wanted this wooden colored beads, and those are the ones that we went with. And yeah, so that's all from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming by. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel. Be part of the tribe. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye. Yeah, it was quite amazing. She is quite amazing. Like, she's a phenomenal young lady. She's in high school actually, and she is phenomenal. I love her bubbly character. I enjoyed her company. I always enjoy her company, and sometimes I question my maturity. But yeah, she's not childish. She's the firstborn, so she's not childish. She's quite mature. But yeah, she's amazing. Just hear this for yourself. So this, obviously, you can leave it like this, and you can do exactly what's on that picture.
Yes. No, guys, they were never expecting this late. I'm going to look like a bride, my God. Prepare your cattle. Prepare your lobola. The way I'm going to show up. They're not ready. They will never be ready.
No, they're not ready.
Just come into school and I'll be so casual and I'm like, oh, hi. Oh, you know, this is Wakanda shape. This is Wakanda
Hairstyle.
Yes. Yeah, they said, oh, Violet's coming with black or magic. They did not expect this. There's black or magic and then there's this.
Oh, I know there's this.
Yes. You can say black or magic, it's fine. It'll last forever. When I'm at an age where I'm bored, I'm just like, oh, I'm bored. Didn't the Prince of Dubai call me? Call him and see what he's up to these days. They're going to come with the goats and stuff and chicken. You might as well come back.
Yay. We are done. We are done.
This is Wakanda, right?